Today's topic is to discuss about Coulomb force, continuing our last topic that was applicable on two different nature charges or similar nature of charges, and we are continuing that last topic that we discussed about that Coulomb force. Now it will be compared as gravitational force. Gravitational force, how different than Coulomb force? Coulomb force actually applicable on charges of same kind or different kind, while gravitational force is applicable on masses of two bodies in nature or in universe. That is an attraction force. This is the major point. Gravitational force is an attraction force, while the Coulomb force can be of either repulsion or attraction, both. Okay. Coulomb force does not depend on mass of the charges. Charges may be huge, heavier, or the lighter masses, but it does not depend on the masses. While gravitational law depends on masses and the distance between them, square of the distance between them, we know that. It is applicable on a limited distance. Gravitational law is not applicable for a long distance. As we know, at a limit, gravitational fields of any planet is lost. Gravitational field, we can across that. So gravity only can work up to a limited distance, up to a limited height, while Coulomb force is not bounded with this limit. It is applicable on the charges no matter how distant they are. They can work to a little distance, even nuclear or atomic distance, atomic radii, where electrons can electrons can repel each other. This is the major difference, that Coulomb's law is applicable on the nature of charges but not on the masses of that, and it is independent to the distance. Coulomb's law, even it is inversely proportional. Coulomb force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them, and if this distance becomes too smaller, then force will be too much stronger between that, as it is the square of distance between them. So we can say that Coulomb's law works within the distance, but it is independent. It is not bounded that distance between the charges. Also, I think video is stopped. No, it is going on. This is very important to discuss this difference. You know, nuclear force nuclear force, how much greater the electrostatic force than it gravitational force is 10 to the power 36 times greater, as Coulomb force is an electrostatic force, so it is 10 to the power 36 times greater than what? Greater than nuclear force. Nuclear force, you know, that is between proton and neutron within the particles of nucleus.